Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with a few necessary checks so True Tone can work correctly. First, update iOS and make sure your iPhone 11 isn't below 20% battery. The sensor behaves best with adequate power. Once done, turn off night shift and reduce white point so they don't mask True Tone's effect. Now open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and locate the True Tone toggle. You're about to enable it and observe immediate color and warmth adjustments driven by the ambient light sensor. Enable True Tone and watch the screen shift. You'll notice colors grow warmer or cooler depending on surrounding light. Make comparisons in 3 environments: bright daylight, warm indoor bulbs, and shaded outdoor areas. This helps you differentiate True Tone from night shift or color filters. Also switch to light appearance if you use dark mode. That gives a neutral baseline so you can judge the true color balance. As you test, take mental note of whites and skin tones. That tells you if True Tone is acting naturally. Finish by verifying consistency. Toggle True Tone off and on a few times, then restart the phone to clear temporary glitches. If the display still doesn't adapt, reset all settings as a last software step. That won't erase data, but restores display-related preferences. Make sure the ambient light sensor area at the top of the iPhone is clean and unobstructed. If True Tone remains inactive after updates and resets, it's likely a sensor or hardware issue. Contact Apple support or an authorized repair provider for inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.